So I'm out in front of a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and I couldn't believe the radio on this thing. Have you all seen these things? They're about this big. Today, we're going to do something about it. I'm going to show you all about it. We're going to do an open box of the Zenhax radio, and we're going to show you the install process step by step. We're going to show you all the features on it. Let's get started. Zenhax Silverado 14 through 18, 11.5 inch. Let's get it opened up. First thing you see is the user manual and a picture of what the screen looks like. This is a major upgrade over factory. You know, everything that's included, even numbers everything. Shows you on the back where everything goes. This should be a pretty simple install. Honestly, just a matter, I think, of just getting things opened up. This is all the wiring harnesses, and depending on your trim and model, you probably won't even use all these, okay? All right, there's the star of the hour. So I get this pulled back. This thing is larger than what I thought by just looking at the screen and online. Got a thing there, it tells you to remove, like you remove this right here. We're gonna be wise with the install, and we're gonna leave that on just so we don't scratch the screen as we're installing it. So here's a look at the factory radio. So if you could tell, that's gonna look significantly better. So what I wanna do now is we're just gonna get started taking this thing out, and it should be a fairly quick and easy install process. There's one here, there's one here, one here, one here. I think there's two in the centers. Alright, that's out of the way. Now we've got 4 bolts here, it looks like. I think those are, I'm gonna guess 7mm. Alright, so if you can see this, it's going to make it easier. So it's just a matter of just plugging all this stuff in here as you need it. On the back, you just have really just a few different connectors. This is on the bottom. You just push in, pull up, push in, pull up, push in, pull up. Alright, so now as you're going through and connecting stuff, like I mentioned, for example, I showed you this wire here. There's only one thing that can plug into. Alright, let's remove this CD player. That's a 7mm as well. Alright, so I'm going to start with this harness here. It's the one with the long wires and so on. You have to move this C-bus to whatever harness you need. And the harness you need will only plug into what you got. So I thought this for sure was for the Bose only. This is not a Bose truck. It looks like the Bose harness is what's working for whatever reason. But again, it's only will click in. So you click that in, click that in. When you get to the white off that harness, that's what you plug your C-bus in. That's what's important. Alright, so this is just going to plug into the antenna, which is this right up here. Alright, that's going to provide your antenna for this here. Alright, now remember I told you about this thing here, that only plugs into one thing. So line it up. Alright, so you plug that in, then this other port here, it's gonna hop over and gonna go connect to this one here. It just locks in just like that. Alright, then this end basically just plugs into this box. Just like so. This connector here you will not use, so just tuck that out of the way. And we're going to start plugging everything in as needed. This, we're going to put it in a good spot, out of the way. This we're going to plug into the antenna. Just like so. Alright, so you have this here, which connects to the USBs. You take that, that's just going to plug right into here. Alright, and then it's a matter where you want to run your USBs to. Alright, so this one here is for your camera. That's just going to line up right here to the center. Alright, we're going to plug this into the camera wire. This is your GPS. My recommendation for this is just to put it somewhere you're not going to be underneath metal. Not a bad idea sometimes to run your headliner. That's what I've done in the past. Old TV cable. Then you have this, which is a Wi-Fi antenna. Here's your Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, that gives you the power. Alright, all these orange wires you got, if you got these, that's if your truck is geared with a steering wheel control. This truck does not, so we're not going to go through that process right now. What I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, everything out of the way, and I want to plug this thing in. Alright, so we're going to connect the back of that VAC. Just clicks right in these grooves. First thing I do is system. Every time I get in it, I connect to this. Password in that gives you on your phone. Connected. It connects fast. Then so you get Netflix on this thing already loaded. YouTube will connect.
Chevy has been building trucks for more than 100 years. So when they told us the next generation of the Silverado was here, we had to come check.
Watch shorts if you want.
Chevrolet just sent a message to the truck industry.
Hopefully that's helpful to you. If not, drop a comment down below. But I do want to say thanks for tuning in. It's a very nice radio. Zenhax, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I will drop the link down in the description. I'm going to reach out to them. If they can provide me a discount code, I'll include that as well. So if it's something you're interested in, check out the description, because I'll have it down there below. But any tools I use, I always put in the description as well with a link on it. I try to pick Amazon links, just easy access for you guys. But anyway, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, subscribe. If you liked it, hit the like button, and then check this video out right here. Y'all have an awesome day, and thanks again.